Hello friends, my name is Umar, and in today's tutorial I'm going to be showing you a very easy method on how to actually change the background of the photo using the Adobe Photoshop CC. And to do that, we're simply going to go ahead and open up the Adobe Photoshop CC first of all. Second thing which we are going to do is that I'm going to actually bring the photo into the software. So for that I'm simply going to go ahead and press Ctrl plus O. So a window will pop up, as you guys can see. So I'll simply gonna go ahead and select the image whichever I want for the editing purpose. So as we have brought the image, as you guys can see. So now what we are going to do is that simply going to go ahead and open a selection tool, use it, make sure it's on the plus. So after that simply hold the left cursor of your mouse and slowly start doing the job. Be very careful with it because this thing actually takes a bit hard work, but that doesn't matter. Once you have actually selected the image properly, it's gonna be very simple for you to do the job. So I will deselect all the unwanted areas of the photo and select all the wanted areas of the photo again, because I don't want my image to look ugly, bad, like it's nothing. I want it to look a bit professional. So after the complete selection of the image, make sure you come to the fine edge option, click on it, and be careful with this option, as I've already told you, because that if you do the rough work, it will only look ugly and fake. So we do not want our image to look fake and ugly, blah blah blah. So therefore I'm gonna do the proper job with the proper selection of the image. After this, make sure you take the option output do and come to the option and select new layer with the layer mask and simply click OK. So our background is actually gone. So after this, we are gonna be doing what we are gonna be doing is actually come and select make a new layer by pressing on this option, which is create a new layer. And after this I will go ahead and select the pen bucket tool. So this one is the default icon, as you guys can see. When you right click on it, the window will pop up where you will see 3 options. So in my case I'm gonna go ahead and select the pen bucket tool, And then I will come to the color section. It is also it can also be selected from here, and from here. There are three types of selection areas, and you can also change the type of color whichever you want. In my case, I will select the green one. I'll simply go ahead and select the green one, and make sure you have selected the paint bucket tool, and then simply click on the, make sure you have selected this layer, so it will be faded with the color, so it's full of color. And the third thing which we are gonna do is that simply take this layer and put it right in front of the image. So as you guys can see, but if you want it to look a bit more realistic, we're gonna go ahead and select a brush. This is 24. Yeah. And oh, sorry for that. So we are done. The background is actually successfully changed, and we're done. So guys, if you have liked the video, if you enjoyed, if you learned something, make sure give your thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe me on YouTube. I'll see you again in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.